Good Tuesday morning. Thanks for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News weather impact team meteorologist Keely Chalmers with a look at your forecast for today. We've got certainly another windy day. The big story in the weather department. The winds. We do have a storm moving in, bringing us already snow to the mountains. We're going to see that storm gradually push east across the state of Colorado. And that is going to bring some snow across the plains as well. As for the I-25 corridor, downsloping winds will keep us for the most part dry, although that being said, Palmer Divide south along I-25 likely going to see a little bit of snow. Metro area, a little bit of rain, transition to snow after about 5-6 o'clock tonight, but we're not expecting much in terms of accumulation. Maybe 1/10 of an inch of a slushy snow, but again, it's just going to be too warm on the ground for any of that to really accumulate. Out across the eastern plains, though, different story. May see an inch or two blowing snow with those winds. So we've got the winds, we've got high fire danger prior to the system moving in. Lots to talk about in our forecast for today. So let's go ahead and take you outside. Oh, excuse me, I'm going to sneeze. Stifled it. There we go. We've got partly sunny skies, so dealing with some sun with a mix of clouds. Also, again, we're dealing with that high wildfire danger. Have a red flag warning for fire weather warning from 10 o'clock to 4 o'clock today. I-25 corridor out across the east central and southeastern plains. Winds not too bad right now. A little bit of a lull. Those winds will be picking up this afternoon. Here's a look at your wind gust forecast. Again, we're expecting 30, 40, 50 mile per hour winds, stronger out across the eastern plains. Check it out, 55 plus miles per hour. And then again, still going to be breezy as we head into tomorrow as well. So until about noon tomorrow, expect those windy conditions to continue. Right now at DIA, 62 degrees. We've got partly cloudy skies, winds out of the southwest, 22 miles per hour. Those flags in front of the 9 News studios flapping in the wind once again. Current temperatures, we're looking mainly in the upper 50s and 60s, 72 right now in Lamar, 30s and 40s in the mountains. So clouds increase as we head into the afternoon. Those winds will increase as well, so expect windy conditions, high fire danger, and again this evening, a little bit of rain, possibly a quick moving thunderstorm, and then all that transitions to snow pretty quick though, just a burst of snow for the metro area. Forecast highs across the plains, 60s and 70s. Some 30s and 40s for the most part in the mountains. Winter weather alerts for the high country through tomorrow morning for about 4 to 10, 4 to 12 inches of snow, and also winter storm watch out east across the plains for a little bit of snow, but also the big issue will be the blowing snow with those winds again gusting up to 55, 60 miles per hour will make travel a bit difficult out east along I-70. Live radar, we see that snow moving in over the high country as that storm system makes its way in from the west. We'll continue to see that precipitation push to the east throughout the afternoon. This is 2 o'clock, and again we are seeing snow along I-70 through the mountains, so expecting some winter-like certainly travel conditions up in the high country. And then we have a cold front moving through anywhere between 3, 4, 5 o'clock this evening, and that's going to drop those temperatures. So we will get rain in the metro area, possibly a clap of thunder, but after that cold front moves through, that will transition to a little bit of a wintry mix and then all snow. So this is 7:30. Again, a little bit of snow in the metro area. Certainly south along I-25 to Colorado Springs. Snow up across the northeast as well. All the rain transitions to snow north of I-70 by 10 o'clock tonight. Still getting some rain showers down across the southeast corner of the state. So again, travel along I-70 this evening with the winds gusting 50, 55 miles per hour stronger, plus the snow, even though it's not going to be a lot in terms of accumulation, will make for some blizzard-like conditions. And then we see that move out by tomorrow morning. Just some lingering light snow showers left over in the high country. So closer in as we look at Denver, this is 6 o'clock tonight, and we see the rain, possibly a thunderstorm, move into the metro area right around 6:30, 7 o'clock. A little bit of a transition to snow, 8 o'clock. We see snow Denver south and east, both along I-70 and I-76, south along I-25 as well. And that moves out by late tonight into tomorrow morning. Just some lingering light snowfall in the mountains. Again, possibly 1/10 of an inch here, but not expecting any real accumulation
here in the metro area. Slushy snow at that, but higher accumulations, a couple inches possible out across the east and the southeast regions of the state. Tonight, windy mix, little to no accumulation for most. Overnight lows dropping down about 27 degrees, mostly cloudy tomorrow. It can be windy once again. Those winds out of the north, 20 to 40 miles per hour, 45 degrees, so quite a bit colder than what we've been dealing with over the last several days. Our normal high for this time of the year, 56 degrees, so again, good 11 degrees cooler than normal. But then after that, we warm up from there. Still have high winds to talk about. High wind warning from 6 o'clock tonight through noon tomorrow. And this is after the red flag warning expires. Certainly high winds today, but we have that red flag warning due to high fire danger. Once that precipitation moves in, the fire danger goes away, but the winds will continue. So again, we're expecting 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible through noon tomorrow. Taking a look at your 7-day forecast today, again, that cold front, that's going to shift those temperatures, drop them quite drastically. Winds will be the big story throughout the day today, again, gusting up to 40, 50 miles per hour, even here in the metro area, stronger out across the eastern plains. And then we have that storm system moving in, bringing us first rain, possibly a clap of thunder, and then a burst of snow, heavier snow to the south of the metro and to the east of the metro across the plains. With those winds, we could experience some blowing snow, blizzard-like conditions across the far eastern plains. So that cold front really dropping the temperatures. We're going to reach highs only in the mid-40s for tomorrow. Still going to be windy and just quite a bit chillier as well. So we factor in the winds plus the cold. It's going to feel a lot chillier than 45 degrees, just a heads up. And then we start to warm up as we usher in springtime. Thursday is the first official day of spring. 60 degrees, our forecast high. Going to be a bit breezy on Thursday as well. Mountain snow returns to the forecast on Friday, 54 degrees. Your forecast high for the Denver metro area. As we head into the weekend, we are getting quieter when it comes to the weather, warmer as well, 64 degrees, still seasonal on Sunday, just a little bit cooler, 57, and weak front moves through, dropping those temperatures a few degrees back to about normal, and then we warm up as we head into Monday, 65 degrees is your forecast high for Monday, and we've got sunshine, a little bit of a mix and clouds. But anyway, we talked about the spring officially begins at 3:01 Thursday morning. Happy spring. That is a quick look at your weather on this Tuesday morning. Thank you so much for joining us here on 9 News Plus. Stay tuned to 9 News Plus and the 9 News family of networks throughout the day, and we will keep you posted on this storm moving in. I'm 9 News meteorologist, I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Have a great day.